grocery store. No cards or cash, they need something more. They catch bugs on the fly with a tongue that zaps. In the pond, they're the kings of the insect traps. Hop, 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 frogs have their own way, living their froggy lives every single day. Frogs don't ride a bike to roam. Their lily pads are where they call home. They leap and they splash from place to place. In their watery world, they win every race. Hop, 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 frogs have their own way, living their froggy lives every single day. Frogs don't lift weights to stay in shape. Their leggy jumps are their great escape. Swimming and hopping keep them fit. In their pond gym, they never quit. Frogs don't ride on roller skates. They've got slick moves across their lakes, sliding over paths quick as a blink. Water's their rink where they don't even sink. Frogs don't take hikes in hiking boots. Their webbed feet are more natural suits. Through the marshes and the muck they tread, finding their path where others might dread. Frogs don't dress up in black fancy suits. They've got shiny skin and cute swimsuits. Dressed by nature, ready to dive. In their water world, they love to thrive. Frogs don't paint their homes in red. They prefer the pond's bed instead. Surrounded by reeds under the moon's glow. In their murky mansion, they lay low. Frogs don't do yoga, but they stretch out wide. With jumps and splits, they don't need to hide. In frog pose, they bend with ease, keeping limber in the cool breeze. So when you think of what frogs can do, remember all the cool things they bring to you. Hop like a frog, play in the sun, explore their world, it's full of fun, of fun.